and welcome to the north coast of the Dominican Republic. Phil here from DR Property Guys. Now today we have something very different for you. If you're looking for a project, we have the ultimate fixer-upper. On one lot of over 2,100 square meters is a 4-bedroom villa, and there's a separate lot with over 4,500 meters. Now this place needs a lot of work, but it's great value for money in the right hands. Let's take you for a look around. So head this way and let's take you for a quick look around. For more information about this extensive fixer-upper, which comprises of 2 lots, one of 4,500 meters square and the other of 2,100 meters square with a large 4-bedroom villa, please check the description beneath, which will also include the price. You can also find us at drpropertyguys.com, and as always, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.